Huh?
Why are you searching me?
I'm not searching you. It's a free air sniff, actually.
That's a search.
No, it's not. If you please watch your language.
No, I don't have to watch my language.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Monkey83, who on a routine pass through an inland US border checkpoint was questioned about his citizenship. Inland checkpoints are established throughout the United States. The Supreme Court has allowed these checkpoints to be established within 100 miles of the US border. While most are constructed near the US-Mexico border, nearly 65% of the US population resides within the allotted 100-mile zone. In normal circumstances, law enforcement agencies throughout the US need to meet the requirement of reasonable suspicion or probable cause to ask for identifiable information, or conduct a search of one's person, place, or things. However, the courts have ruled that answering questions about your citizenship and allowing random searches is a reasonable intrusion of one's privacy when passing through these interior checkpoints, even up to 100 miles of the border. It's as if there's a standing militarized presence occupying a large portion of the country. Speaking of which, before we continue, it's hard to find balanced military analysis these days, and if you're watching this video, you probably agree. It's also hard to find unbiased news. The press is financially incentivized to push divisive content to generate clicks. Social media further divides people into tribal bubbles, fanning the flames of polarization, and before you know it, you're in an echo chamber without any diverse perspectives, and each side receives a different version of the facts. This is a huge problem for all of us, but thankfully, Ground News is working to solve it. Ground News is a first-of-its-kind website and app that lets you compare how any news story is being covered across the political spectrum. But it's not just a news aggregator. It's a tool with a bunch of easy-to-use features that helps you be more confident you're getting the full picture. The bias distribution chart shows you which media outlets are reporting on an issue and where they fall on the political spectrum. You can even follow the issues and places you care most about. But my favorite feature is the blind spot feed, where you can see stories that are underreported by either side of the political spectrum. If you're looking for a better way to stay informed about current events, check out the website or download the free app by visiting ground.news. Links will be in the description and pinned comment. And now, back to the video, where Monkey has been stopped and asked about his citizenship. It's unclear why, but Agent Padilla orders a free air sniff with a canine around the perimeter of the vehicle. At this point, Monkey83 begins filming.
So why are you searching me?
Huh?
Why are you searching me?
I'm not searching you. It's going to be a
You are.
nice.
That's searching me.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's a free air sniff, actually.
That's a search.
No, it's not.
Well, I have a dog.
That's fine.
Okay.
K9 Carly too.
You guys are a joke, you know that, right? Oh, this one doesn't even know how to use a fucking radio. You got a supervisor?
Sorry?
You got a supervisor?
You want a supervisor?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Can I get a supervisor in Carly?
The agent has trouble with his radio, but has the next booth operator call for one.
Supervisor in Carly too. Hey, you call supervisor for Carly too?
I gotta get supervisor to Carly too.
Supervisor.
Hey Captain, how's it going?
Doing well yourself?
Good. I came through, I answered the question like I was supposed to. He asked me if he could search the back, and when I said no, then he decided that he was gonna do an open air sniff, which we both know is a bullshit search. So I'd like to be on my way. because there's no reason for me to stop. I've complied with everything that I'm supposed to do legally.
Canine clear?
Canine clear.
So you're clear?
He's free to go.
Canine, it wouldn't matter if the canine cleared. This fucking idiot had no right to fucking do that.
If you please watch your language.
No, I don't have to watch my fucking language.
So listen.
You don't like my fucking language, get another fucking job, public servant.
Okay, I understand that. But listen.
Apparently you don't, because you think you fucking can tell me what the fuck
Sir,
to do.
I'm going to tell you right now, you're free to go.
Okay, have a nice fucking day. Happy the cops day. You both. You need a fucking real job.
Many argue that it's easiest to comply, answer the questions, submit to a search, and continue on in life. I imagine the founding fathers would disagree. These checkpoints are relatively new, meaning there was a time not long ago where law enforcement agents couldn't lawfully stop your travels and violate your Fourth Amendment rights without reason. While it may seem like a petty inconvenience to keep our country safe from undocumented immigrants and other imports, remember that these checkpoints aren't even close to the border, and often there are routes that will allow you to circumvent them altogether. For almost $5 billion a year, the amount of security they offer is minuscule, but that $5 billion isn't the only cost. The hidden fee is your right to privacy. Compliance is why we've gotten to this point. Next, the Supreme Court could rule that if you live in the 100-mile zone, Border Patrol agents can enter your home without a warrant and absent of exigent circumstance. If they were to do that, think about how many would still comply while quoting their mantra, "What's the problem if you're not doing anything wrong?" The problem is that this nation was built on specific values for a reason. Government overreach isn't new, and considering the atrocities committed throughout history and to this very day, why do you think people almost always answer no when you ask them if they trust the government? The problem is, they'll still comply, and slowly, your rights will slip away 1 inch at a time. Sure, Monkey's approach is rude, and there are probably more civil actions we could take to resolve this. Or maybe these guys should find a better job. If you like the video, be sure to head over to Monkey's channel. Links are below. Let him know I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.